Did you know that your daily coffee habit could be the financial equivalent of owning a small island in the Pacific by now? No, really. But don't despair, because today we're diving into the art of saving without sacrificing your sanity or your Starbucks. Tip 1. Master the art of the meal plan. Stop winging it at meal times. Planning your meals not only saves you from impulse buys, but also reduces food waste. Whip out that calendar, plan your meals, and shop with a list. You'll be shocked at how much less you spend when you're not buying that 15th jar of pickles because they were on sale. Tip 2. Embrace the magic of bulk buying, but not for everything. Bulk buying items like rice, beans, and toilet paper can slash your expenses. However, unless you plan on building a bunker, skip the bulk kale. It wilts faster than your New Year's resolutions. Tip 3. The subscription cull. How many streaming services do you actually watch? Do you need 3 different platforms just to catch up on reality TV? Cancel the ones you don't use. Trust me, your bank account will thank you, even if your binge-watching habits won't. Tip 4. DIY your life. From homemade cleaners to do-it-yourself home repairs, you can save a bundle. No need to buy that fancy stain remover when baking soda and vinegar can do the job. Plus, you'll feel like a domestic wizard, or at least a mildly competent adult. Tip 5. Cashback and rewards. Oh my. Use credit cards that give you cash back or rewards for your regular spending. But here's the catch. Pay it off monthly, or you'll be back at square one with interest rates that make your eyes water. Tip 6. Water, your new best friend. Swap out 1 or 2 of your daily caffeine or soda hits for water. Not only is it free from the tap, but your body will thank you. And if plain water isn't your jam, infuse it with some fruit. It's like spa water, but without the spa prices. Tip 7. The second-hand charm. Thrift shops, garage sales, online marketplaces. Your next favorite thing might already be someone else's old news. From clothes to furniture, buying second-hand is not only cheaper, but also kinder to the planet. Tip 8. Energy efficiency isn't just for hippies. Turn off lights, unplug devices, and maybe invest in some energy-efficient bulbs or appliances. Your electricity bill will shrink, and you can feel smug about being eco-friendly. Tip 9. The joy of free entertainment. Libraries aren't just for books anymore. They offer movies, music, and even board games. Plus, community events are often free or cheap. Who knew saving money could be so much fun? Tip 10. Rethink your commute. Could you bike, walk, or carpool? Each trip you don't take in your car saves you gas money and probably a bit of your soul from traffic-induced rage. So there you have it. 10 ways to keep your pockets fuller without feeling like you're missing out. Remember, it's not about cutting down on life's pleasures, but about squeezing every penny for maximum enjoyment. Now go forth and save like your life depends on it, or at least like you really want that island.